We can start now. So we can give an intro and we'll start the session.
Yeah, hi guys, good evening. So guys, today we have a session for this Azure 104. So this is basically a combo batch where we are supposed to deliver AZ 104, 500 and 700. So initially we are going to start with the first module, which is 104. So the people who is interested for the advanced like a network implementation on the cloud and cloud security, that is AZ 500, they can enroll in a master program also. So Robin, fine. I think most of the people who joined us, they are from 104 batch. So we'll start from 104 and then accordingly we'll follow our remaining entire full program. Okay.
Great. So this is the first program they are attending, right? Or they
Yes,
have
correct.
already been to a cloud training?
There are some people who already enrolled in a full-fledged program like a AZ 104, 700 and 500. So guys, what we decided that we'll go with the 104 first. Once we'll finish with the 104 in the next 2 months, then we'll start with the 700, which is network implementation at the cloud, and then AZ 500, which is cloud security.
Great. So thank you, Gaurav, for giving an intro about the session, how it's been planned. So people also got an idea like how the session is going to happen here. So good day, everyone. Welcome to Microsoft Azure Cloud Program. My name
This
is
is the demo class, no?
sorry,
This is the demo. This is the demo session, no?
Irshad. Good day. It's
Yeah,
been a
it's a
demo
demo session,
session.
guys.
So we're
Okay.
just trying to, yeah, we're trying to set the expectation here, how we are
Hmm.
planning to deliver this session. And we want to hear from other students also, because once the
Okay.
session is been started, we don't want to go back and explain like what are the content is been available here or how the session is been planned. So we thought like we'll have a one-to-one today, or it's like a group call today before starting the session here, and thought of having a small intro also. So happy Monday, everyone. Once again, welcome to Networking's Microsoft Cloud program. This training session we are planning and focusing on Microsoft Cloud Administration Training Program. Gaurav has been mentioned about a few certification numbers. Few numbers you may be already familiar because before joining this session, you may be already done some homework or you may be already done some searching of cloud training programs. What is the certification course has been available? Normally, Microsoft has been given their exam names or a design in a some code like it's AZ104, AZ700 or AZ500. So we are planning to have a three phase for this program here. One, it's been like AZ104. Normally all of us are, or even Microsoft also considering this is a fundamentals or a foundation course. In case if you want to move to any vertical, some of you guys may be already working on an on-premises networking. Some of you may be expecting or planning to move your career on into a security side or networking side or a automation side or a SRE role or a DevOps one. Wherever you are planning to switch your career, AZ900 and 104, it's going to be a foundation course. Whether you're planning to move to a networking or a security side, AZ104 is going to be the foundation course. Now, during this course, normally if you take a Microsoft program, there is one more fundamental course are available that basically known as AZ900. So what we are planning to do here on this program, we are trying to club AZ900 and 104 program together. You may be enrolling for 104 program, but technically it's like you may be seeing like when you go to a shopping mall, buy one get one free, right? A similar way here also, like once you completed this program, confidently you will be able to write AZ104 program. You will be able to write an exam AZ900 also. So both the courses you will be able to confidently able to clear it here. Now we will be starting this session from a very scratch mode, because few people may be already working on in a cloud, few people may be new to this cloud journey or a cloud networking or a cloud technology. We want all the people need to be clear with the foundation or concept here. Always we try to start it from a scratch level. We try to start from like discussing about on-premises solution. Then we'll be moving on into understanding about how cloud technology has been organized. We'll try to understand about how cloud has been different from the on-premises or a colocation mode or whatever existing model currently it's been available here. So we'll be discussing with a cloud concept. Then we'll have a discussion about cloud certification path also, because if you search in the internet, you may be able to see like you have a different certification programs are available from a different vendors. You may be heard about Amazon's cloud certification program. You may be heard about Google certification program. Even if you take Microsoft cloud program, you may be able to hear different exam names. Even starting of this session, Gaurav has been mentioning about Azure security like AZ500, AZ104, or AZ700. So we'll have a detailed discussion of which certification you need to write it first. Once you've done this, whatever program right now we are discussing, which direction you want to move it here, because you may be coming from a different vertical or a background. We'll try to mentor you which direction you can move, or in case which you're going on an X or Y direction, what will be your roadmap, or how are we need to prepare for that. So we'll have a detailed discussion about your cloud certification or your career acceleration path also. Before moving on into the technical side, let me introduce myself. My name is Robin. I have a 2 decade of experience on Microsoft and multi-cloud platform, almost 18 years of experience. I started my career with MS-DOS, then we moved to Microsoft Hypervisor, worked on all the server operating system, and started the journey with cloud technology. Started with the Microsoft Azure, then later on moved to AWS and Google, and currently I've been a part of networking's family here. So quite a long time I've been associated and working with a network kings here. So we used to do all the uh, cloud trainings and all the vendor trainings or
Exactly
and
how
all
you
the
feel.
technology trainings
Life
here.
creates wrinkles. So
Uh,
what?
we're
Maybe
getting
the
a
Q10
Ramdeep,
target kettle filling.
happy Monday.
And
So
here's
look like your
Q10
mouth
sulfur.
has been open,
Still
so it's
peptides.
been on.
Here's
So I'm just
introduced with
muting.
a fine line in 5 minutes.
Gaurav, I need your help for
For
muting his
anything
mic.
that's overtime.
Oh, sorry, sorry. Okay.
No, no problem. This is a there's no issue at all. I hope my audio has been loud and clear to everyone here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, because even me in my place also like heavy rain is going on. So just want to ensure that there is no echo or a background noise also. Now, what I was been trying to say like about my experience, like I'm into this training delivery for a quite long time. So we were doing this AZ104 or Microsoft Cloud from a networking for a quite long time. Like this is basically the program whatever we have
Ouch.
been designed or
Sorry,
it's
I was.
been draft. Hey Irshad,
Yes.
you want to say something?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me.
Is this conversation is being recorded?
Yeah, I'll come to all that points here. I'll come to that all points. Okay, I'm coming
Okay.
to all that points. So we'll have an intro, then we'll come to how the course has been designed and what is the expectation you can have from this training and how the training material has been provided. All this I'll be discussing. So this is about my
No,
background here. Yeah.
just
Now
asking like
about yeah, all these sessions currently we are delivering here. Once you enroll this session, we will be creating a WhatsApp group. Myself, Gaurav, and all the support team will be available on the WhatsApp chat window where you can able to interact with the support team, even the trainer also. In case if you have any technical doubt or in case if you need any help, you can use that WhatsApp window. Whatever training module we are trying to deliver it here, we are trying to make it a more practical oriented session here rather than going with a presentation based here. We'll have a live demo will be available. Whatever modules or sessions we are delivering, you will have a live demo will be available. The trainer myself will be explaining you like how to create a VM on in a Microsoft portal. We'll have access to the Microsoft portal. I'll be showing you with a whiteboard and a case studies and a scenario based uh, discussion how we are planning to deliver this on in a cloud network. Second things, whatever sessions we are delivering, we'll be recording that and you will be getting an access to the networking's portal also. For example, like in case if you want to attend the session again, recording session will be available and all your meeting links, all the material will be available on the portal itself. You can able to connect directly from the portal also. So answering to your question, Ursha, session will be recorded and we are trying to provide you all the decks or presentations which will be using on the session also. You will be getting all the presentations and deck, and I'll be trying to make you some lab questions also. I hope I've been answered your question.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes. Now that's about the intro from my side and the course objective of the program here. Now, how the session is been planned? It's going to be a 1 hour session daily. So we'll have a session daily like 1 hour. People can able to attend like the timing like Gaurav, what is the timing we are preferring? It's been 8 p.m. IST or it's been 9 p.m. Possible like we'll have a discussion on that. Gaurav, what will be the timing we are planning to have? You'll be getting mostly it's been on 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. IST. Okay, so that is the time we are planning. Now session is been not limited to 1 hour. In case if you want to extend or in case if you want to have further discussion or there's some situation like if your topic is been not clear, we'll have an extension of the session also. In case if you're not able to deliver the session, I'll try to inform you well in advance so you can also plan your calendar here. But there are some situation in case if there is any medical emergency or if anything is gone, uh, always I will try to ensure that the communication has been posted on the WhatsApp group. That's about me or the course part. Now class hours already we have been discussed. Rest all it's been like it's for the classroom one year, but here it's going to be a remote training here. We prefer to have a WebEx based session here. Since the number of the participants are more than 5 here, we will not prefer to have a video based training here. There are two reasons here. One, it's been like you may be noticed here, even though right now the people who's been attending from a mobile here, few people may be having some kind of a bandwidth issue. We want to ensure that everyone has been able to attend the session. We don't want to go for any kind of bandwidth or a connectivity issue. So we'll try to have a audio based or remote screen shared based session here, not a video based one here. Rest all it's been like here, we all are professionals here. In case if you are not able to attend or in case if there is any public holiday or in case of any uh, long holiday or in case if you have any kind of challenges if you are facing, you can able to upload it on the portal here. Mutually we can be able to take a decision in case if you are not able to conduct the session here. But we'll have a regular session daily evening. I'm just talking about right now I'm being connected from India, so I'll be using the time zone is IST here. In case if you are connected from other countries or other region, please convert your time as it is. So it's been like 8 p.m. or a 9 p.m. I'll be letting know the timing of what time it's been happening, so we'll be getting the communication from the support team here. That's about the facility part here. In case if your organization or in case if you're looking for any other training, you can reach out to Gaurav or the networking support team. We have a lot of training program has been happening, especially on the core areas like a Microsoft or a Google Cloud. Even we have a lot of training program has been happening on the cloud security or a firewall side also. In case if your team or in case if your circle or your organization has been looking for any training program on any of this vertical, it can be on a OS hosting based or it's a platform based, even it can be on a network side, you can reach out to Gaurav or you can reach out to the support team. We have a well experienced faculties are available, trainers are available, will be able to deliver or will be able to organize that program here. So you can able to reach out to Gaurav or the support team here. Now coming on in how the course has been structured here. I was been mentioning like Microsoft is having exam number for all this program. So for this program, AZ900 and 104, these are the program it's been available here. So we are focusing based on the objective Microsoft has been given on the AZ104 or 900 exam year. Now all your lab modules, it's been shown with the help of a Microsoft portal.azure.com. So I'll be showing you all the demo inside a Microsoft portal here. Let me show you here. This is the portal. You can able to see the portal here. Right now, let me connect it on the portal here. I hope you can able to see the portal here. So all our lab modules or the course, whatever services right now we are discussing or during the session, we'll have a live demo will be available here. For example, like we were discussing about a concept called virtual machine. In case if we are discussing about a virtual machine topic, I'll be discussing with the help of a Microsoft lab here. So let me zoom it here. So I'll be discussing like I'll be explaining the step-by-step procedure or how practically it's been implemented. I'll be using this live module here. I'll be explaining you in case if you want to create a VM, you need to connect to the cloud portal where you can able to create your virtual machines. You can able to connect to the network here and you can able to, I'll explain you with a one by one step-by-step procedure here. You can able to see like I'll be using a step-by-step procedure. You have with the help of that, you can able to go ahead with this one. So this is the way normally the configuration has been done on in a cloud yet. So you have option has been available where you can able to understand practically how the course concept has been explained here. So you may be able to see here, you have a, let me show you like how a VM has been configured here. So I'll be explaining with a Microsoft portal here. I'll be explaining you the step-by-step procedure, what is a subscription, how the resource group is been configured here. Then I'll be explaining the all the points or the options which you are getting here. Now, while explaining this one, I'll try to give you a scenario also. I'll be using a whiteboard. I'll be giving a scenario like you are working on in a customer place where the customer is looking for installation of a VM, or I'll try to give you some example from a production scenario. For example, like the customer want to migrate a computer from a on-premises to cloud. So like this, I'll be able to give you some scenario-based example, which will be able to help you to understand how practically the cloud infrastructure is being implemented on in a real-time scenario. So which you can able to connect it, how practically it's been enabled on in a on-premises situations here. So I'll be using whiteboard where I'll be writing all the points and I'll be explaining with a case study with a lab module also. So you'll be getting a lab questions as well. And this is the way the session has been implemented here. Now, once the session has been completed, as we mentioned, like from the starting of the session, or the session has been recorded here. Once the session has been completed or it's been ended, support team will be uploaded this recordings on the portal. So once it's been uploaded with a subject line or the module name, you can able to use this as a reference material. So at any point of time, you may be thinking like, I want to review this one. I need to go back and I need to see how it's been implemented by Robin here. So you can able to refer this material here. So this is the way the session is been drafted, and this is the way the session is been planning to deliver to this batch here. And even once the session has been completed, we'll try to give you a handout also. So whatever topics we have been covered, I'll try to give you some lecture points or the materials which will help you to understand or which will able to refer the, or you can able to do some kind of a self study on the same topic that will help you to give you some confidence on that service or a module also. So we'll be able to get you a handout also part of this training program here. Let me pause it here in case if you have any question related to the training delivery, or in case if you want to understand anything about the course, how it's been structured, let's have a discussion here. Let me pause it here. Your mic has been already enabled here. So even that during the session also, mic has been enabled for everyone, because you may be seeing like some of the vendor normally they won't allow you to uh, do a you won't get any chance to use your mic. Even the chat also it's been limited, but here it's not like that. Your chat, your mic, even WhatsApp group, even you can reach out to any of our trainers here, even you can reach out to me or a Gaurav at any point of time when you have any concerns or a questions, or even you have a technical queries also. Even your training has been completed, we will be available here. It's not that we're just delivering the training and just finishing the batch. No, you're looking for a professional connect here. So we'll be available to mentor you, guide you, and able to support you also throughout the program, even after the program also. Let me pause it here so you can have your questions being ready, and let's have a discussion on that.
Hi Ravin, this side Soumya here. Ravin, am I audible?
Yeah, you are loud and clear.
Okay. Actually, my concern is I have already enrolled with Azure 104, and may I let you know if once I done this course, networking help for any job vacancies, anything else?
Okay, so you're basically looking for is the placement, or you're looking, or
I am looking for any placement.
So guys, I'll tell you, basically we don't have a separate team who is helping a candidates to play somewhere.
Okay.
Because we every month close to 700 800 people is enrolling with networking with the different either from network or cloud and cyber security. So they all is working professional because our audience is working professional. So when they have a requirements, we have one portal where everybody is putting that this is the requirement, this skills is required. So we are filtering out our students and we are sharing a resume with the candidates.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
it's a basically referral base for how we guys are helping our candidates. But if in case you are looking a dedicated who is gonna help you in the job, no, we don't have that.
Okay. Thank you.
even if you are seeing like any job openings, so whether it's on the system administration side or on the cloud one, definitely we'll try to share on the group. Even if you are seeing like any openings on any of these IT firms, you can post it here. We already have, like Gaurav said, like we have 800 plus people has been enrolling every month, and definitely we'll have some contacts or Xpoc will be available on all this IT firm. We'll try to help you, like in case if you're looking for any employee referral or any reference, we're trying to do in a personal way. So like it's not giving any commitment like we'll be able to place you on X or Y organization, but in a best effort we'll be able to guide you and help you also. Even like end of the training program, we'll be trying to help you like how to create a resume, because your resume may be not having all the information which has been connected to the latest technology or a cloud. We'll help you to modify that, or we'll be able to give you some scenario based interview questions, or how production infrastructure has been currently it's been working. We'll be able to guide you on that. Possible like we can have one or two session how practically or in a real time infrastructure has been working. We'll be able to provide you all this extended help you out of this course, or like AZ104 or AZ700 course here, because all of us are coming from a real time infrastructure background here. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Any other questions from anyone?
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah. Sir, it's Imran, sir. So, sir, one
Yeah.
quick question. Sir, do we have like a workbook or something that we can follow along?
Can you just repeat? Your audio has been disconnected in between.
Can you hear me now? Is it better?
Yeah, it's been better now.
Okay, sir. So, sir, it's Imran here, sir. I am taking this as a first time course. तो सर इसकी कोई वर्कबुक है हमारे पास जिसको फॉलो कर सके?
We'll be making you a Excel. We'll be able to share you one handout. Second one
Okay.
is been like whatever module we are planning to deliver here. So we'll be able to give you in a Excel format. So whatever topics we are covering, how much has been completed, we'll be able to provide you a Excel sheet. That's will have a complete agenda or the module or the course we are going to attend it here. We'll be getting that sheet.
And
Is
guys,
what you're
additionally, you
expecting?
are getting videos for each sessions. So in future, if in case you have any doubts, whatever my trainer is explaining, you can watch, you can repeat from that videos.
Okay, sir.
Like in a cloud, there is no like it's a GUI based. First, we have to understand it's not a CLI where we have to create a topologies and we have to write it down the commands and all.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You'll be getting that
Ravi,
sheet. Okay. Yeah.
uh, PowerShell also include in Azure 104. Have you teach about the PowerShell? Yeah. No.
So me, it's like if you start learning on in a cloud platform, there are different management tools normally we are using. PowerShell is one tool. Additional to PowerShell, you have Azure CLI, you will have Azure SDK, you have Bash Shell, even you have a GUI based also here.
Okay.
So right now this training we are focusing on in a GUI based method here. Right now you can able to see on the screen here. You have a portal.azure.com. Right now you can able to see on the screen. It's like a portal.azure.com because all of us are it's been new to this technology here. In case if you are teaching you all these modules or a session in a PowerShell or a command mode or a automated mode, people will think like it's rocket science and finally you won't be able to complete this session here because moving on into automation or a PowerShell or a scripting, we have to put a lot of efforts here. So first of all, we need to understand the concept here. Once your cloud concept is been ready or it's we are confident, definitely you can able to move to a PowerShell here. This I'm sharing from my experience here. Even whatever sessions we're currently we are doing, we are capable to deliver it in a PowerShell one. Even we have tried for a one batch also, but that's been people were not able to follow that. That's the reason we have been defined. Even Microsoft also it's been delivering this program in a GUI method here. All your fundamental course has to be attended in a GUI mode. Once the concept has been clear, you can able to move on into the PowerShell one. In case if you are interested to understand about how it's been organized in a PowerShell, I can able to give you some PowerShell commands related to each module we are covering here. I can able to provide you that command, but we won't focus you on in a PowerShell mode. The reason it's been like you will feel exhausted here. Okay, possible
Okay.
like once the concept is ready, we can have 1 or 2 sessions on in a PowerShell also. That's not an issue at all. But answering to your question, the session has been planned on in a GA mode here.
Sir, one thing, sir, do we have any specific course for PowerShell, say, or Terraform, or anything like that? If somebody wants to do that specifically, as you mentioned, after learning the concepts from this one, so learning the basics, is it any possibility we can move on to that avenue, like learning more into
We
Terraform or?
yeah, we normally used to do all this training deliveries, but that is a different course here. You can reach out to Gaurav or the support team, like what are the courses been available. Like we used to deliver it on in a Terraform. We used to have a dedicated session has been available on
Yeah,
PowerShell or
guys, this is
automation.
it's a part of DevOps, like a DevOps, Terraform, Docker, Kubernetes. So all we are delivering on the both the platform AWS and Azure. So we have a different courses. We'll discuss further separately. Okay.
Yeah, if anyone has been interested to enroll for that parallelly, you can reach out to Gaurav here. So we'll help you to onboard you on that training as well. We cannot club it here because the reason is been like you will not be able to uh, compare both out in the same session. So we'll treat both this program as a separate here. Any other questions from anyone? Guru, you want me to add any other points here? I think we're not getting any questions
No,
from
no,
team.
Robin. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah. So team, once you enroll, we'll be adding to the WhatsApp group, and you'll be getting a communication about the timings and link and the portal access.